Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to Business Maths class. In this class, we are going to see about exercise 7.1, 18th sum. The sum is: assume that a drunk causes a serious side effect at a rate of 3 patients per 100. 3 patients per 100. Then, what is the probability that at least one person will have side effect? In random sample of 10 patients. The 10 patient is a random sample. Taking the drunk. Okay, the solution. The rate of 3 patients per 100. This is your given p value. That is p is equal to 3 patients per 100. Okay. Then it is equal to, so denominator gets double zero, that means 100. So making a 2 decimal place. This is one number, then one more number we make a 0. Then put the decimal point. This is the p value. Then want to find the q. Q is equal to 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 0.03, so is equal to 0.97. Okay. Then the sample taken from the 10 patient, sample of 10 patient. Okay. So n is equal to 10. So now we get p, q and n. Okay. Then the question, the question is, what is the probability that at least one person will have side effect? So probability of at least one person will have side effect. Okay. So which is equal to p of x, the at least represent the greater than or equal to sign. At least one person. P of x greater than or equal to 1. Have you understood the steps? Okay. Then we already known the p of x greater than or equal to 1 can be written in the form of 1 minus p of x less than 1. Okay. Then 1 minus p of less than 1 means below 1. So only the binomial distribution 0. So p of x is equal to 0. Okay. So using the binomial distribution, 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. The formula is ncx p power x q power n minus x. So n is here 10, c x is 0, p is 0.03 power x is 0, then q 0.97 power n minus x. N is 10 minus x is 0. Understood? Okay. Then 1 minus nc naught is 1. Then any number power 0 is 1. Then 0.97 power 10 minus 0, 10. Okay. 1 minus 1 ones are 1. Then 0.9 power 10. So using the calculator, 0.97 power 10. Okay. The value is 0.7374. Okay. This is your answer of 0.97 power 10. Okay. 1 minus 1 into this value is same, 0.7374. Minus 1, we get the answer 0.2626. Okay. This is p of x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, 2626 is your answer. That's all. Okay, have you understood? That's all the question. First find the p value, the probability answer, and find the q. Then directly taken from the question n value, and find the probability of value. These are the steps to find out the probability distribution. Okay. Okay, dear student. Next, 19th question. Consider 5 mice from the same letter. The number of mice is 5. So the solution n is equal to 5. This is given. Okay. Next, all suffering from vitamin A deficiency. So all are suffering from the vitamin A deficiency. They are feed a certain dose of carrots. The positive reaction means recovery. The positive reaction means recovery from the disease. Okay. Assume that the probability of recovery is P. So P is equal to 0.73. Okay. Then what is the probability of at least 3 of the 5 mice recover? The total number of mice is 5. Then the at least 3 mice recover is 1 to the answer. So now NP get, then find the Q. Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus P is equal to 0.73. Okay, 0.73. Subtract, we get Q is equal to 0.27. Because 10 minus 3, 7. Okay, that's all. So now we get P, Q and N from the question. Okay, so next the question is the probability of at least 3 mice recover. Okay, this is your question. At least, what is the probability that at least 3 of the 5 mice recover? Okay, so out of 5, only 3 mice is only recover. This is your question. So it is equal to P of the at least represent greater than or equal to sign. So P of x greater than or equal to 3. So P of the P of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus P of x less than 3. This is equivalent to this. Then 1 minus P of x less than 3 means P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Then P of x is equal to 2. That's all. Okay. Then substituting the binomial distribution, we get the answer. Okay, so 1 minus, this is x is equal to 0 now. So NCX, n is 5. Okay, n is 5, p is equal to 0.73, q is equal to 0.27. So NCX, x is 0, because x is equal to 0. P is equal to 0.73 power 0. Q is equal to 0.27 power n minus x. N is 5. Minus x is 0 plus 5c1, because now x is equal to 1, 5c1 0.73 power 1, then 0.27 power 5 minus 1, okay, 5 minus 1 plus 5c2 0.73 power 2, okay, 0.27 power 5 minus 2. That's all. This is your substitution. Next, making the simplification, we get the answer. Okay, 5c0 means 1, any number power 0, 1, then 0.27 power 5 minus 0 means 5. Okay, the first line, P of x greater than or equal to 3, which is equal to 1 minus 5c0 is 1, number power 0 is 1, then 0.27 power 5 minus 0 is 5. Plus, okay, then the second one, 5c1 means 5, then 0.73 power 1 means 0.73, then 0.27 power 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Okay, so 5c1 5, then 0.73 power 1 0.73, then 0.27 power 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, then plus 5c2. Next for 5c2 0.73 power 2, 0.27 power 5 minus 2. So 5c2 can be write in the form of 5c2 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2, then 0.73 power 2. 0.73 power 2 equal to, using the calculator we get the answer. This is for 0.5329. Okay, next 0.27 power 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, that's all. Next, which is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 1, then 0.27 power 5. 0.27 power 5, which is equal to 0.0014, plus product of first two value is 5 into 0.73, which is equal to 3.65. Okay, then the 0.27 power 4, 0.27 power 4, which is equal to 0.0053. Next, here using the cancellation, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 10 into this value. So 10 into 0.5329. Okay, which is equal to 5.3290. So product of this two value. Then find 0.27 power 3. 0.27 power 3, which is equal to 0.0197. Okay, that's all. Then making the simplification, 1 minus 0.0014 plus the product of these two values equal to 3.65 into 0.0053, which is equal to 0.0193 plus the product of the last two value, 5.3290 into 0.0197, okay, which is equal to 0.1050. Have you understood? Then 1 minus the sum of the all values, okay, sum of all values equal to 0.0014 plus 0.0193 plus 0.1050 is equal to 0.1257. Okay, then minus 1 is equal to 0.8743. This is probability of at least 3 mices recover of 5 mices. Okay, that's all the answer. Have you understood the answer? Okay, dear students, next 20. An experiment succeeds twice as often as it fails. So success is twice as fail. What is the probability that in next 5 trials, so number of trials is 5, there will be 3 success is your first question, and the second question at least 3 success. Okay, the solution from the question given. So P represent the probability of success and Q represent the probability of failures. Okay, so the success is twice as failures. So P is equal to 2Q. Okay, from the given condition, success is twice as fail. So 2. So P is equal to 2 into Q can be right 1 minus P. Is it or not? Because P plus Q is equal to 1. This is your condition. So P is equal to multiplying 2 inside 1 2s are 2 minus 1 2 into P 2P. Then making the transformation 2P in this side plus 2P plus P is equal to 2. 2P plus P is equal to 3P equal to 2. So P is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now we get the P answer. Then find the Q. Okay, P is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, next Q is equal to 1 minus P. Okay, Q is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So P is equal to 1 by 3. So replacing here. So q is equal to 1 3s are 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 by 3. Okay, this is for q. Then the number of trials is 5. So n is equal to 5. That's all. The first question is 3 success. Okay, the 3 success, probability of 3 successes. Then the second question, at least 3 successes. Okay, question, probability of 3 successes, that is exactly 3. P of x is equal to 3. So this means exactly 3. Okay, then using the binomial distribution is P of x is equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x. X is equal to 0, 1 and so on n. Okay, so now replacing x is equal to 3 because 3 success only want to find. So n is equal to 5, c, x is equal to 3, p is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to 3, q is equal to 1 by 3 power n minus x. N is 5 minus 3x. Okay, 5c3. Okay, so 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Then the 3 is common for 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 power 3 divided by 3 power 3 using the exponential rule. Then 1 by 3 power 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, using the cancellation, 3 are cancelled. Next 1 2s are 2. This is 2 2s are 4. So now we get 10. Then 2 power 3 is 8. 2 multiplying 3 times 8. 3 multiplying 3 times is 27. And 1 square 1 and 3 square is 9. Okay. Therefore, this is 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80 divided by 27 9s are. Okay. So using your calculator or ordinary multiplication. So 27 into 9 equal to 243. This is for P of x is equal to 3. So 3 success when you get, this is your answer. The second question is, at least 3 success. Probability of at least 3 successes. Okay, this is, so at least 3 represent P of x greater than or equal to 3. Okay, already known. So the P of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus P of x less than 3. And 1 minus P of x less than 3 means P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. So that's all for the P of x less than 3. Okay, below 3 values only. Then substituting the binomial distribution for here. So 1 minus P of x greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. So n is not be changed, n is 5. So 5c naught. Okay, 5c naught. P power, P is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 power 0 and Q is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power n minus x. N is 5 minus 0 plus the second one 5c1. Now x replacing 1. So 2 by 3 P power x. So x is 1 and 1 by 3 power 5 minus 1 plus 5c2. 2 by 3 power is 2 now. Then 1 by 3 power 5 minus 2. Okay, so it is equal to 1 minus 5c naught is equal to 1 and any number power 0 is 1. Then 1 by 3 power 5 plus 5c1 is 5. Then 2 by 3 power 1 2 by 3. Then 1 by 3 power 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 5c2. 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. This is already known. Then the 2 common for 2 and 3. 2 times are 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. then 1 by 3 power 3. Okay, that's all. Then once again making the simplification, 1 minus 1 ones are 1, then 1 power 5 means 1, 3 power 5. The 3 power 5 is 3 power 5 equal to 243. Okay, then plus this is 5 2s are 10, 10 by 3, then 1 power 4 is 1 and 3 power 4 is 81. Okay, 3 power 4 means 81. Then plus using the cancellation, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10 divided by 4 by 9, and 1 power 3 means 1 and 3 power 3 is 27. Okay, that's all the simplification. Next, it is equal to 1 minus 1 by 243 plus 1 tens are 10 divided by 3 into 81, 243 plus 4 tens are 40 divided by 9 into 27. 27 into 9 equal to 243. Okay, so it is equal to 1 minus. So now consider all the denominators are like fractions. So 243, 243. Then sum of the numerator 1 plus 10 plus 40. Okay, it is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 10, 11, 11 plus 40, 51. 51 by 243. Okay, so next using the cross multiplication to make a simplification. 1 into 243 minus 51 divided by 243. So which is equal to 243 minus 51 equal to 192 divided by 243. This is P of x greater than or equal to 3 answer. Have you understood? This is the second question answer. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 150 and 151. Okay, the first question, define Bernoulli trial, and second one, define binomial distribution, and third one, write the condition for which the binomial distribution can be used. The fourth question, mention the properties of binomial distribution. Okay, this is already having in your book. Okay, find out the definition and the properties. Okay, and then the condition, and to write the slip test. Okay, thank you. God bless you.